For the past 5 months, we have been working on something. Like any stories, our story starts with a problem. You see, I work as a DevOps engineer. In theory, my job is to build infrastructure and internal tools that let developers move fast. As any other developer, I want to express my creativity through software I build. But in reality, I was spending 90% of my time reacting to failed workflows, setting up missing configuration, pipelines timing out, and on top of that, I have to manually track cost, usage, and security compliance. It takes hours of digging through logs just to find out what broke the build. Multiply that by 10, 20, 50 workflows, and the math stops working. I knew I couldn't work like this, so I started looking for a solution. And when I couldn't find one, I decided to build it myself. To make something that is useful, I needed three things. First, health check. I needed a high-level snapshot of the entire organization. Is the build healthy? Is production stable? I need to know in seconds, not hours. Second, I needed metrics. I need to monitor performance and cost in real time. It has to be adjustable for high-level and deep analysis. And finally, actions. If a pipeline fails or stalls, I need to be able to fix it right from the dashboard. And this was the blueprint for Latchkey. You see, I built an MVP, and it worked, but it was rough. To scale it, I knew I couldn't do it alone. Hey Zach, how's it going, man?
Hey Daniel, it's going pretty good.
I wanted to ask you what you think about what we've done so far, and how's your experience with working on Latchkey?
Yeah, no, I think we're building something really cool here. This isn't really something that I think is that much of a product right now, so it's been really fun to work on. And this is my first time being a co-founder on a startup, so it's been a really unique experience compared to my history. Uh, so for some context, when I worked at Amazon, we had infrastructure as code and we had our own pipelines, right? But it was always really opaque. We had zero metrics on our pipelines. We were constantly getting flagged by upper management saying, like, we needed to improve our pipeline health. We need to do deployments every X number of days. We need our tests to be succeeding at X% rate. And since leaving, I'm realizing that it doesn't need to be like that. So, for example, working on Latchkey, we ourselves use GitHub Actions, right? And we've been able to onboard our own Git repository onto our own product, and we're immediately getting these recommendations raised. We're immediately presented with all of the information that we need to know. I can see, like, oh, hey, this workflow is failing 60% of the time. That's probably not an issue with like a buggy code. That's probably an issue with the workflow itself. And so it's been really cool seeing the product working as well as it is before we even really have a ton of users, which makes me really optimistic about the future.
Cool. Yeah. My experience has been the same, and it's really cool to see something that we built to use ourselves is actually being useful for something that we are building. So,
Uh-huh.
yeah, it's been really cool. Okay, I'll let you get back to work, and yeah, we'll chat soon again, and have a nice rest of your day.
All right. Bye, Daniel.
Bye. Hey, Kobe, how's it going, man?
Hey Daniel, not much. What up?
So I wanted to ask you about your experience about what we have done so far, and your personal experience working on Latchkey so far. What do you think?
It's been fun. It's been difficult. It's been a lot of late nights, and my hair is getting whiter, as you can see. So that's my answer. No,
Yeah.
it's good though. I'm happy. I think we're progressing well. I think we're making a killer product, and this has to succeed, and it will.
Good. Yeah, I feel the same. All right, I won't take too much of your time. I know you're working on stuff, so I'll let you get back to what you were doing, and yeah, we'll chat soon again.
Sounds good.
For 5 months, we kept our heads down. We didn't just improve the product, we refined the business case. We had to prove this wasn't just a side project, it was a viable company. And that preparation paid off as we got a chance to pitch launch.
Welcome everyone to the public demo day for our Launch Accelerator.
Launch Accelerator.
Launch.
Launch.
The Launch Accelerator.
The Launch Accelerator.
Launch Accelerator. And
Launch Accelerator.
I'm going to make a dedicated video breaking down that pitch later, so make sure to subscribe so you don't miss out on that. But for now, here's the result. A few days later, after the meeting, I woke up to this email. Out of the 300 companies that pitched, we were one of the few selected to be funded. You spend so much time building in a vacuum, and I can't tell you how good it feels to win. So why share all of this? Because the gap between I have an idea and making it real is smaller than you think. Don't wait for permission, just build it. And speaking of building, Latchkey is officially in public beta. We also just launched on Product Hunt today. This is a huge moment for us. So if you ever felt the pain that I've talked about in this video, I have a small ask. Check the links in the description, give Latchkey a try, and if you like what you see, drop us a thumbs up on Product Hunt. It really helps us out. And let us know what you think. We're building this for you. As always, thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.